Unopengerewo. Wakarara na gate. Nemukadzi womunhu on top of that.
It's all your fault.
I didn't know she was someone's wife.
I was confused. But now they can do
That's not the point. What's going on?
People handle pain differently. When one of my beers, when one try my drugs and stuff, and then I just hide mind behind sex.
Go on. Kurara no kadzoka wanda. Ndokunobva zvirwere ikoko. Chapinda busy soon. Chamedisa mukadzi wemunhu. Kana chamedisa mwana wechikoro.
I always use protection.
Shut up. What pain are you talking about?
I'm broke. I'm broke. Emotionally, physically, I'm broke in every way possible. I'm trying so hard. I'm trying to be strong, but it's going to me. But it's hard for me. I miss my daughter, I miss my son. I have nothing. I'm just existing. I have nothing to live for. And no, I'm not gonna cry because
Come here. It's okay to cry, Ngo. Chelo murume. It's okay to cry. Auntie. Well, ndasangana na gate. Akata anumbu yako.
Wewe get it baby tanumbere. Hapo ya stages acha udara.
Kaneno ndatoseka. But it doesn't change what you did. Anyway, I want also my BMW.
Gushe bimar. Asa BMW. Aso urundaro dizoni ndisiyane nawe re.
Ai kuona kurambidzwa. Asi urikuda kuzodrive ndokuveka kumutadza chete.
Ngoda kupinda kam luxury car.
Finish.
I miss the days when we were happy.
Well, we can create happy days again.
Yeah.
Life is a roller coaster.
So
she go on a chikiso, she go on a level sometimes.
Don't so man.
Yeah, kana chitika kwauri zvitange zvikuitika kwauri wega. Ati zvinotsoma munhu wese.
I told you to send a kuna tapuma wewe. Didn't I tell you that? Huh? Look what you have done. This is all your fault. I promise you, Amanda, I promise you. If anything happens to him, I will make you suffer. I will make Simba suffer. Do you understand? Nakakuza. Sena na tapuma. Yo do uterera ndidi. You better pray and hope. Nothing. Sorry. Shut up! You better pray and hope nothing happens to Tapum. Because if anything happens to him, I will be the death of you. I will make you suffer. Zinzarako resi ndokupikira jera Amanda. Handina kukuza. I promise you. If anything, look at me. If anything happens to my brother, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for Simba. I'm coming for everyone that you love. Kuzinzo, you better pray. You better pray. Utsanye nekunamata kwakakura chaizvo. Nothing, absolutely nothing happens to him. Because I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? It's just that he's everything I have. In my life, everyone just leaves. Just like that. And he's always there. And he always stays. He's everything I have. So I don't want to see him being hurt. You know, I'm a lonely person in this life. I'm always lonely and alone. But Pesepano, he always finds a way to make me feel loved and wanted and happy. So if anything happens to him, I become worried. He's more than a friend. He's a brother, my only brother. So please understand, all right? I'm sorry.
It's okay. I do understand, and the pain and ndinoziva kuti zvingazosvikira that kuti vamukuru vangakwanise kuzoya kuhospital kunoku. I'm sorry. I'm so yeah, ndinozviziva. Ndikutorwadziwa sekurwadziwa kuri kuita kwese. Zvinorwadza kana one of the family members auya kuhospital and isusu tinenge tisina zvekuita, tisina chekukwanisa kuita, but kungomirira.
Amanda, please try to understand. I can't do anything without Tapuma. I'm used to having him around. He always makes decisions for me. He's always the voice of reason in my head. He's always there to tell me what is right and what is wrong and what I have to do. So I cannot live without him. I would do anything for him. I would trade places with him. And even doing about deathbed, but I would do that for him.
Sorry.
I tried to call Simba.
Afoni Simba isikuita kana ndakatombotraya kumufonera isikuita. Chema, I can understand the pain ikuva uri lonely. Sometimes you don't just feel lost and think ndega kulo.
You have CD, you have Tapuma, you have me, alright?
Yeah, but you wanna kuna vamukuru Tapuma una zvendaita manje.
So nigwandi.
My name.
Bamkulu. Bamkulu, I'm really sorry. And then do to feel a bed in his diet and us.
My name. Hapana chekumbosora mani. Ndoda kutenda nekuti makwanisa kumhanya neni kuno kuitime. Handiti izvi zvingadai zvangoitika chero dai papasina imimi anyway. Zvinooneka muupenyu handiti.
But ndinozvikonzeresa vezvi.
Aiwa my name. Musafunge like that. Accident inoitika anytime to anyone. Asi baita basa mauya ndinonzwa kunoko ine ndinodzokera kumuri kwangu pamwe ndingadai ndatofira mumba omeme.
Shiredzeka kudaro ndinozofela bed.
Asi maindini ndwai ndandichifunga kana ndichida kuti mucity ndau yekumba uya naye kumba ano kuti it's been unfair to you kuti tinge tichiti ndarambai nemi pane zviri kuitika between mimi naSimba handiti saka anouya kumba usikogarawo nemhuri ndipo mwana wangu at the same time.
Bamkulu, izvo zvandazvinzwa hangu kuti Sidi auyega handione zvichikodzera kozi ini ndatojairana naye 1 2 sezvo ini naSimba wacho tisina mwana totongotangire papa zvinazvo problem ndinogara naye.
Many I respect your decision when it comes from Simba, and I'm really sorry that Simba has been treating you otherwise. But I'm sure, I promise you that things are going to change. And it's good. Unamuona nangoni ngona auya?
Unamuona ndatara ngonaye.
Oh.
Aripo panze.
Ndakubvunzawo zvangu basi. Ndozoti anenge atopo panze kudara.
But mandiregerera handichakupopoterei futi kana kuita sei. Ndichasara ngoti ndichitaura naSimba murume wangu nekuti nyaya iyi ndeyaSimba iyi.
Hapana chekuregerera mani. Thank you.
Okay, maita basa. Saka Sidi amuchatoreka ndakugara kanaye.
Aiwa, don't worry. Tichataura nyaya iyoyo. Tinomudawo zvisero paredu.
Bamkulu. Saka rege ndinodedza babatanya vamwe.
All right, my name.
Yes, ndiendieni. Bamkulu wada kuona.
Doctor.
Hello, good afternoon. Mwaswera si?
Ndaswera doctor. Asi doctor ini ndine mubvunzo. Chiri kumbonyatsoitika kwandiri doctor?
Zviri kuitika ndezvekuti BP yako iri kugara yakakwira. Saka BP inogona kukudonedza. Saka zvinenge zvichida kuti wewe uzorore kwenguva yakati rebei. Kuzorora kunokubatsira nekuti ukaramba ichikwira BP yako igai inozokukanganisa zvokuti unozogona kustroke wotadza kuzoseenzera mhuri yacho.
Doctor, kuzorora right now pane zvakawanda zviri kuitika mukati meupenyu hwangu zvekuti nditi ndikaswere ndakarara ndotoona kunge nditori behind zvimwe zvisikaiti. Kwacho chibp ichi doctor chambobva kupi? Inini sekuru I'm still young doctor kuti hanzi ndichinzi ndine BP doctor.
Chirwere ichi cheBP mazuva ano chiri kunyanya kukonzerwa nediet yatiri kudya. Yati improve diet iyoyo plus chimwe chinofamba neropa kumadzisekuru kana kwava kuine BP kana kuti kumadzibaba kwako
unofind kuti unogona kuzoitawo BP. Imwe inokonzerwa nema-emotions zvinenge zvichiitika muupenyu hwako, unogona kukwira BP zvakare.
Maita basa Dr. Saka zvakureva kuti kusimba kwese kwandakaita kusekuru ndakufanira kutonozvistava vakandibholuza weight because BP chimwe chinhu chandisi kutomboda mukati muupenyu hwangu ini.
Ndizvozvo unofanira kuona kuti wadzikira miri wako, nekuti chimwe chikonzero ndichocho chekuti kana ukasimbisisa zvakanyanya BP inokwira.
Maita basa Doctor.
Thank
you very much. Ngoni. Andakufa shimwana.
Ngona wakufa.
Ndakangomira Doctor kuti auye kuzo andinyore mapiritsi. Saka mena kundudza nyaya yestress, nyaya yeBP. I think I've been putting myself under pressure. The reason that I've been putting myself under pressure, I didn't want to let you know, but we are losing everything. We are losing everything from the house to the bar, everything. You know, taka disturb and chikwereti chatakatora cheche chikuramba chichingokura, and pese patakaita lockdowns we didn't make any profit, so and we're just losing everything, and I don't know how I'm going to tell Wimbai and Wimbiso that to let them know that the life that they know is about to change. I don't even know where to start. And the people from finance, they don't want to listen that, okay, now we are back in business, but they're just saying you are behind. So, you know what they do? They come and take your property and just to recover their money. So that's what I'm afraid of right now. I didn't want to stress you.
My partners are here.
Yes.
The bar and the house. I'll make everything right, I promise. I'll make everything right.
Yeah, we do. We hope for the miracle to happen. Otherwise, they're going to take almost everything. Maybe only the house and the car, but we still have the bar. I don't know. But you know what they say? What doesn't kill you, make you stronger.
No, it makes you strange. Okay. Alright, you know what? Do it, Zof. Don't go anywhere.
Hello. Zviri sei shamwari? Ndada kutaura newe shamwari, ndikuda kuti I don't know kuti unokwanisa here. Ndiri mutrouble imwe sikaite. And I need a bailout, I need a loan. Oh. We're outside the country. Sorry. Ndachifunga pamwe kuti Pamuri munyika. No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll get it sorted. No, thank you. One friend gone out of the country. Hiyo namba yake mzima kuichita. Sure, kana mnamo sometimes. Shamwa dzese dzinongo disappear. I'll try another one. My name? David, man. Yeah, Andre, kungona?
Damn you.
Kochi.
Damn you, Tavon.
Chico.
Damn you!
What's wrong?
Why did you do that? Why did you do that? The first finance when they told me what you were doing, told was in Uzesa, you told them to leave me out of it. Man, why did you do that? Are we not partners?
We are partners. But I can't do that chasing gold. I did that for a reason. It wasn't what?
We are partners. That means 50-50. And I was told as one in Gavatori song.
At once, I was in Papiri. Go on.
Gavatori yangu nini? You have a family man. Unavimba inavimbiso. How will you explain that to them? Gavatori imba yangu nini? Let them take mine. I don't know bisa signature yako poka yisa. Tell them what everything is on me. Tell them the blame is on me.
I can't do that. I can't do that. Good. I can't. It's already done.
Please understand. Please understand.
Calm down. I understand.
Man, I have nothing. You. Damn you. Damn you.
Calm down. It's not the end of the world. Listen to it. It's not the end of the world. Auntie.
Action!
Yes, fine. Tenda basi. Where's your sister? Ah.
What?
Where are they?
Mas quero ser.
That's where are you?
Como você vai ser?
Not good.
What's wrong?
Something is going to change.
What are you talking about?
Our life is going to change.
To change how?
I'm going to lose the house.
What?
We are going to lose the house.
Quinda. You need to just tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking.
Lose this house. How? For what? What? Yay, Jesus.
I'm serious.
Baby, please just stop this.
Listen. Things are going to change. It might be for better. It might be for worse. So I want you to prepare for that.
Baby, please just tell me what's going on.
I can't tell you right now.
Why? I'm your wife, for crying out loud.
Remember that girl who came to our house that time? Do you remember that?
Girl.
The ones we found in our house.
Oh, the witch. Ah, okay.
Yes. So I actually connected to that, but It's not her fault.
Okay, Nyati. Whatever that is going on, I just hope everything is going to be fine.
I'm sure everything is going to be fine.
I trust you.
Even if it's better, it's for better, or it's for worse. But I believe that we have each other.
We do.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, let me prepare something for you to eat. I'm sure you're starved.
I'm
What's
not
that?
hungry. Just come. Go on.
I'm stupid.
Nah, no, stupid.
No, there's open number, I'm open every day.
A bad day.
You okay, what's up?
We lost the bar.
You lost the bar.
No, we lost the bar.
But you know in that for a few months and then you lose the bar. Why did you lose the bar?
Tiswekwereta Rwanda. And taswekwereta and tikuziva zvikuitika munyika. We're not making any profits. So they had to take the bar. Everything. And I lost my house too.
Iba routine also. Square is a Zabadaro.
Super Duane. Para marriage. So, anyway, I think I think we need a fresh start, my brother. New people, new town, new everything. Singe chingori chidhara ndinewe chete.
Where do we go? Right now, I'm chill. I'm saying I don't have anything. Very, no plan.
I always have plan B.
Oh, good for you. Going in and dinner plan B.
When I go on plan him.
Fine.
Fine. New city. I'm going home.
Yeah.
Chill now.
The student can always come here.
I should stick it to that moment. That's
At least we know.